Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Altima speakers. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts, then remove door panels carefully using a trim tool. Keep screws and clips organized in labeled containers so reassembly is simple. Test new speakers on a bench with a temporary 12V connection before mounting. Take photos during disassembly so you remember screw locations and harness orientations for a smooth reinstall. Start by lowering the window and removing screws from behind the handle and armrest. Use a plastic trim tool to pop clips loose so you don't damage the panel paint or plastic. Carefully lift the panel to detach from the window channel, then unplug the speaker harness and any switches before setting the panel aside. Working methodically saves time and prevents broken clips or misaligned panels during reassembly. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for organizing screws, clips, and small parts while I work. They seal tight and stack neatly in a toolbox. They make cleanup a breeze and double as lunch containers for long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new speaker in the mount. Confirming the cone clears the window mechanism and door skin. Connect the positive and negative leads matching the original polarity to maintain proper phase and sound. Secure the speaker with screws or an adapter bracket, then gently press the grill or panel back into place. Once everything is snug, reconnect the battery and play a test track to verify clean sound and no rattles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.